Hello everyone, we are students of AP Public School. We are reading class 3rd. I am going to tell about types of animal. Animals that eat only the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Lion, tiger, leopard and eagles are carnivores. Thank you. Omnivorous animal that eat plant and the flesh of other animals are called humans, began, bear and rat, fox, omnivorous animal. Thank you. Herbivorous animal that eat only plant are called plant eating animal or herbivorous. Cow, camel, deer and buffalo are herbivorous. Thank you.